Hello friends, my name is Dikshanvita. Welcome to my channel Mattricks. Today our topic is easy tricks to write two digits table. For example, we write 23 times table. We know two table and three table. First we write two table. 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 2 threes are 6, 2 fours are 8, 2 fives are 10, 2 sixes are 12, 2 sevens are 14, 2 eights are 16, 2 nines are 18, 2 tens are 20. Then we write three table. 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6, 3 threes are 9, 3 fours are 12, 3 fives are 15, 3 sixes are 18, 3 sevens are 21, 3 eights are 24, 3 nines are 27, 3 tens are 30. Using these, we write 23 table. Here we have 2 ones are 2, 3 ones are 3. So we can write 23 times 1. Now we divide this into two parts. First part is units place and second part is tens place. Now we write 3 in ones place and 2 in tens place. So we write 23 times 1 is 23. Similarly, we have 2 twos are 4, 3 twos are 6. So we write 23 times 2 is 46. Similarly, we have 2 threes are 6, 3 threes are 9. So 23 times 3 is 69. Now here 2 fours are 8, 3 fours are 12. But here we have two digits. So we write 12 is here and 8 is here. So we write this 2 in units place and here we add 1 to 8. So it becomes 9. Therefore, 23 times 4 is 92. Now we write 23 times 5 as 15 is here, 10 is here. We write units digit as 5 and we carry over 1 to 10. So it becomes 11. Therefore, 23 times 5 is 115. Similarly, 2 6s are 12, 3 6s are 18. Now we write 23 times 6. There is 18 is here and 12 is here. Now we write units digit as 8 and we carry over 1 to 12. Now it becomes 13. Therefore, 23 times 6 is 138. Similarly, 2 sevens are 14, 3 sevens are 21. Now we write 23 times 7 in units place 21 and in tens place 14. That is, we write the units digit as 1 and we carry over 2 to 14. It becomes 16. Therefore, 23 times 7 is 161. Similarly, 2 8s are 16, 3 8s are 24. Now, 23 times 8 is in units place 24 and in tens place 16. That is, we write units digit as 4 and we carry over 2 to 16. It becomes 18. So 23 times 8 is 184. Similarly, 2 nines are 18, 3 nines are 27. Now we write 23 times 9 is in units place we write 27 and in tens place we write 18. There is the units digit is 7 and we carry over 2 to 18. It becomes 20. So 23 times 9 is 207. Similarly, we have 2 tens are 20, 3 tens are 30. As we know, 23 tens are 230.